Hey everyone, very good morning. Welcome back to my channel. A little bit of an update. I went to the ER yesterday because I cut my finger quite badly. I was laying my floors. I was starting to lay my floors. I did all my underfloors and I was like actually going to the laminate part. And I didn't even put much pressure on it, but I think it's a box cutter basically is what did it, but it's labeled as a construction box cutter, so the blade is a bit heavier and thicker. I don't know. I guess not thicker, but heavier. It's stronger. So I didn't even put much pressure on it. I was doing something, wasn't paying attention, but it was like a quick swipe and it cut me deep. Like I saw things that you are not meant to see inside your finger. And I think I was here panicking, crying for like 3 minutes because it just wouldn't stop bleeding. And then I eventually called Kevin and was like, what do I do? He's like, go to the ER if it's not bleeding, if it doesn't stop bleeding. He booked me an Uber to go to the ER and it was still bleeding when I got there as well. So that's already like another 15 minutes. And then it was still slowly bleeding when the nurse came and saw me. She said because it was bleeding so much and so fluidly, then there's gonna be less chance of infection because it's like cleaning itself out. And as long as I keep it dry for the next 24 hours, and what else did she say? I can still move my finger, even though it hurts, but that means there's no nerve damage, so everything should be fine. But yeah, last night I slept maybe 2 hours because the pain was just shooting at me, amongst other factors. I slept here for the first time in a very unfinished apartment, so a lot of different factors like kept me up at night. But yeah, today I'm gonna continue to lay my floors. I think I'm gonna move back the move-in date because this is a useless hand basically. I basically have like 1.5 hands at the moment, so I might push it back to next weekend. I can still get a full refund on the van if it's more than 24 hours before, if I cancel before. So I still get that if I cancel today. I have a lot of recycling that I need to take down that I've been putting off because everyone's moving in at the same time. So everyone's waiting for the elevators and it takes a while. And I know this is gonna be more than one trip. So, I don't know if you can hear that, but since everyone is moving in at the same time, everyone starts drilling at 8 a.m. Like I couldn't sleep last night and then at 8 a.m. it was just like immediate drilling. So it's been fun, guys. Anywho, I was saying I have this pile of trash. I have like tarps that I need to just get rid of. This whole mess that needs something done to it. This is just pure construction waste, like, and moving waste. So plastic, cardboard, stuff that can be just taken to recycling. So I'm not just like piling up food waste or anything here. That would be disgusting. Not to say that this is not disgusting. That's my only piece of furniture at the moment. Fun times. I've taken 2 loads of recycling downstairs and wanted to go for one final one, but the sky said otherwise. I don't know if you can tell, but it's raining pretty hard. There you go. And I don't have a raincoat on me, nor do I have an umbrella. I really needed to change my dusty ass bandages though, so that's not nice. Okay, I'll just clean up here. There's a lot to be done anyway, as you can tell. The elevator currently still looks like crap. go cut some more wood, baby. And then of the two that you cut just now, the one that like fits into that side goes here. And then the other one is what you use to start your next row over there. Is this a tutorial? No, I've only done this. It's my first time. Don't follow what I say. Golden hour, I think, sort of. Yes.
I could be your solace. Maybe I could be something more. Well, baby, it's always summertime. When I'm with you, that's not a lie. Well, maybe you could be my solace. only 말투가 날 위로해. 내 심장이 막 두근두근 터질 것 같아. 눈이 마주칠 때면 미쳐가. 매일 밤 가슴이 터질 듯한 너도 날 똑같이 사랑해줄래. 네가 돌아볼 때마다 고백 연습하는다. I just wanna make you mine until the end. My summertime. 얼어붙을까봐 그냥 서있어 계속 붙어있어 많은 사랑 노래들 이런 뻔한 가사를 쓰지만 다른 노래와는 달라. 너를 위해 쓴 게 아니잖아. 선물이 된 노래야. 특별해 well, maybe you.
Today's test. Oh, hey. I think I can. No, I can't.
No?
Wait. I'm gonna attempt. Oh my god. He's done it. I can do it with my broken finger. Dinner break.
I just wanna make you mine until the end. My summer ends when you're not around. The sunlight fades, so don't go. It's only bright when you are near. Seasons come and go, but I don't want this one to go. Just say you'll stay so we can keep on flying. 듯한 너도 날 똑같이 사랑해줄래 네가 돌아볼 때마다 고백 연습하는 나 I just wanna make you mine until the end 가슴이 터질 듯한 너도 날 똑같이 사랑해줄래 네가 돌아볼 때마다 고백 연습하는 나 I just wanna make you mine.
Wow.
I think that's done.
Yeah, you finished. Now victory dance. Yes. Very good.
날 괴로워해 내 심장이 막 두근두근 터질 것 같아 눈이 마주칠 때면 미쳐가 매일 밤 가슴이 터질 듯한 너도 날 똑같이 사랑해줄래 네가 돌아볼 때마다 고백 연습하는 나 I just wanna make you mine